Hello everyone, this is PriceAction Ltd and we are back with another breakdown video of how we provided the signal for Euro Aussie last night. And without any further ado, let's get right into how we drafted this particular signal. So first of all, we are in the high time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and if we go into the line chart, we can see that the market structure in general was really bearish, like lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So to begin with, our initial bias had been bearish from the very beginning, and so this was our first confluence for the trade, and we were actually looking for a selling opportunity. The next thing we noticed in the high time frame is this 4-hour engulfing pair of candles, right? So what does an engulfing pair of candles signify? It indicates that price tried to move violently in a certain direction, and instead of continuing in that direction, price just moved the other way with a violent volume, right? And especially in a high time frame like a 4-hour time frame, if we can spot an engulfing candle, that is interesting to us. So as soon as we saw in a bearish market structure there is a bearish pair of engulfing candle, we became interested, right? And so this was our second confluence, and the third confluence that we used was the fact that while this engulfing candle was printing, it left a significant portion of price imbalance behind. So what does price imbalances do? These imbalances always get filled, right? The algorithms that the banks and institutions run, those algorithms need to bring price back to these imbalances and fill these imbalances. So we knew that price had to come back to this area to create another lower high and fill this imbalance, test this engulfing. So all in all, we had 3 very good confirmations, and we just dived into the lower time frames to check for more confirmations. And what we spotted is this zone, right? This orange zone right here. So when price broke this zone, retail traders considered this as a support break, a break of support, right? And people placed their sell orders and placed their take profit right in this area, and their stop losses right in this area, right? So retail traders considered this as a break of support, put in their sell orders, and their take profit was right here, and their stop losses were right around this area. So what happened during the Asian session was price did not go to the take profit area, it pulled back and went all the way back up to their stop loss area. And what happened in the process was a lot of stop losses were hit. So this is a clear-cut manipulation by the banks, and this is something that we often look for when analyzing, and this is something that we spotted. Adding to that, we had our high time frame confluences like the engulfing candle, the price imbalance, the bearish structure, market structure in general. So we were pretty confident. All we were looking for is a final confirmation for the entry, and as soon as we saw that a 1-hour engulfing candle was forming, we were ready to put on our sell order. And let's just see what happened next. So as soon as this candle closed, this 1-hour candle closed, and the next 1-hour candle started going up to retest this engulfing candle beginning, we entered with our sell positions with a 46 pips stop loss. And let's see what happened next. So yeah, we continued to go on for 147 plus pips, and then it moved the other way. However, we grabbed majority of this move, and all of our VIP members profited from this signal. So this is what you can get if you join PriceAction VIP, and this is the kind of analysis, and this is the kind of depth of knowledge PriceAction VIP members are having. So that is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the explanation, and do let us know what are your thoughts, what are your feedbacks. If you have any suggestions, we'd love to hear that. So have a great day and happy trading.